Hi guys, here is a step-by-step tutorial of how I mask at home using a turmeric mask to combat hyperpigmentation, acne, and dark spots. So step 1, you want to exfoliate. I am using a Himalayan sea salt because I struggle with hormonal acne on my chin and on my cheeks. I also struggle with hyperpigmentation. And Himalayan salt draws out oils from the skin. It fights acne and reduces skin infections, and it gives the skin a deep cleanse. And I mix my Himalayan salt with a little bit of glycerin, some olive oil, and just some moisturizing essential oils. So it's not super harsh on my skin, but it does help me fight my acne, hyperpigmentation, all that good stuff. After my skin is all dry, I go in with my goat's milk, turmeric, and cinnamon soap to cleanse my face. As you guys know, turmeric is the GOAT, no pun intended, when it comes to clearing up the skin, but so is cinnamon. Cinnamon heals acne, it adds moisture to the skin, it aids in the treatment of dry skin, which I have combination skin, dry and oily. It treats eczema and psoriasis, which I have psoriasis. It's just a double whammy to help enhance your skin. Now that my skin is clean, it's time to prep my skin for the mask. So I'm going in with my own concoction of green tea, apple cider vinegar, and some essential oils to tone my skin, bring the pH down, and get it ready to absorb the mask. Alright, now my skin is ready to be masked. This is my version of a turmeric mask. This turmeric mask does contain bentonite clay, so you do not want to use anything metal when you're using it. You want to use anything plastic, brush, anything that does not have metal in it, to go ahead and spread it all over your skin. Alright, now that we're done with the repetitive steps, it's time to go in with the serum. I like to use vitamin C because it brightens the skin and enhances the skin tone. And since I struggle with hyperpigmentation, I need something that brightens my skin. I go ahead and add about 2 drops of glycerin to this serum because glycerin is a humectant and it pulls moisture from the most moisturized part of the skin and it pulls it to the driest part of the skin. And because I have combination skin, this is perfect. This is probably the only part of my skincare routine where I don't make my own products. Because I haven't dabbled in with serums yet, I just don't even want to go down that road until I do more research. So yeah, store-bought it is. Alright, so this next step is completely optional but highly suggested. It is jade rolling. I got my jade roll at TJ Maxx, my favorite place on the planet, for about $13. Unfortunately, I broke mine, but it still works. Guys, I love this thing. It adds so much calming attributes to my skin routine. Like, I just love doing it. I put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before use, and it just feels so cool on my skin. It's like it's just pushing all that moisture and all that good stuff and all that good energy back into my skin, and I really, really love it. If you aren't sold yet, here are a few benefits. It removes toxins, it relieves stress and tension, it depuffs the skin, it helps with dark circles, it reduces inflammation, rolls out wrinkles, soothes the skin, can help with breakouts along the jawline, so that cystic acne that I've been battling with. It stimulates blood flow and circulation, boosts collagen, relieves sinus pressure, stimulates acupuncture and reflex points. So many benefits, guys. TMI, but lately I've been dealing with migraines, and adding my Jade roller back into my skincare routine has released the tension in my jaw and relieving my migraines. I go in with the smaller part of the Jade roller, which is broken, for my eyes, just giving my eyes a nice cool massage before I go in with my final moisturizer. I would like to say that this step is optional as well, but I like to have extra moisture on my face before I go to bed. I go in with my own turmeric shea. Guys, a little goes a long way, but this turmeric shea has completely changed my skin. Like about 2 months ago, I just went through a crazy breakout, like cystic acne everywhere, dark spots everywhere. And I have a before and after picture of what that looks like. And the after picture was about 3 weeks ago, and my skin has cleared up even more than that. And I really attribute that to this turmeric shea.